Hello again, it's Noob, and what we have here is a vintage Lockwood padlock from Australia. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I am a sucker for vintage padlocks, and this is a really nice example with a bit of aftermarket khaki paint on there, but you can't have everything. Okay, so 6 pins, really works nicely. This is an old lock, but it's been well looked after. I still see some grease around the shackle, and you've got brass ball bearing locking mechanism, which is really cool. So these things apparently last forever out in the outback with little or no servicing, and are just really rugged padlocks. Hardened steel shackle as well, and just look at the bitting on that. That is pretty much as good as you're going to get on a lock like this, with its low high high low high low bitting. There's just really nice. So it's a key, actually. It's an original key. Here's a keyway, and it's a different keyway to lots of Lockwoods. I don't know what it is. I imagine it's a restricted keyway of some kind. There's the view down the key there. But yeah, it's just a very nice lock. Right, let's throw this in a vise and get picking. So here we are in the vise. Where's that key? Let's remind ourselves of that bitting. Lovely bitting there. Lovely smooth operating lock. 1.0mm pry bar at the top of the lock. Get some good tension on there. Sparrow's lunatic to reach around those pins and drag back through. That's 4, 3, 2, back through 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's try 1. Pin 6, pin 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 again. Ah, that's 3 set now. It's good. That was hard. That's 2 set now. Good. 5. Sorry, 6. 5 now. Nothing 4. Let's try pin 1. Seems good. Okay, back to 6 then. Now, pin 5, and we are open. Whew. Do you know what? I think these older locks, they sometimes get a bit gritty, a bit graunchy inside. They're surprisingly hard picks sometimes. They just get a bit kind of like grotty and you lose some of the feedback. But we did get there in the end. So there you go. That's that beautiful vintage Lockwood padlock with some aftermarket effects thrown in for good measure. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.